In today's video, I'll walk you through how to delete a company in Hubspot. Whether you're cleaning up your CRM or removing outdated records, this simple guide will help you manage your data with confidence. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to the Hubspot homepage. In the top right corner, click Login and sign in using your Hubspot credentials. If you haven't logged in for a while, make sure your email and password are correct to avoid any access issues. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Quad Hubspot dashboard, the central hub where you can access all your tools and data. From here, look toward the main navigation bar and locate the CRM tab. This section houses all your business contacts, companies, and deals in one organized place. Click on CRM and then select Washi Companies from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the Companies section where all the businesses you've added or interacted with are listed. Each entry represents a company profile with its associated data such as contacts, deals, and activities. Before deleting anything, it's always a good idea to double-check that you're selecting the right company, scroll through your list, or use the search bar to quickly find the one you want to remove. Once you've located it, click on the company name to open its profile page. Now that you're inside the company's record, take a moment to review its details, such as the company name, domain, or any link contacts to confirm you're deleting the correct one. This extra check helps you avoid removing valuable information by mistake. Next, look for the Add Actions menu, usually found at the top right of the company profile. Click on it, and from the drop-down list, select Walk Delete. Depending on your HubSpot version or permissions, you might also see a small trash bin icon that performs the same function. When you click Delete, HubSpot will prompt you with a Washi confirmation message. This is your final safeguard to ensure you really want to remove the record. Read the message carefully. Deleting a company is permanent and cannot be undone. If you're sure, go ahead and confirm the action. Once confirmed, the company will be permanently removed from your CRM. This means all its associated data, unless linked elsewhere, will also be deleted. HubSpot does this to help keep your workspace organized and clutter-free, ensuring your data remains accurate and relevant. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a company from HubSpot. Taking time to regularly review and clean up your records helps improve your CRM's efficiency and makes it easier for your team to work with up-to-date information. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy HubSpot and CRM management guides. See you in the next one.